Today you're gonna learn how to clean your keyboard. This one is quite dirty, so we have to do something about it. First you have to remove all of the keys. Store them somewhere safe. There are specialized tools you can use to remove the keycaps, but this isn't a mechanical keyboard, so you can just pry them off. Just make sure you make this prying off motion from the top, moving downwards. Some keycaps are really stuck in there. You can try to use both fingers to pry them out. Though something you shouldn't forget is that other keycaps also have these little metal thingies attached to them. Make sure you don't lose them. I always sort the keycaps from the number block and the keycaps from the other part of the keyboard separately to then be able to faster sort them back into the keyboard sockets. Next, you're gonna punch out all of the crumbs and some of the dust out of your keyboard. But be gentle. Put some hot water combined with some soap into your sink to rinse off all of the fats and make your keycaps squeaky clean again. After letting the keycaps soak for a little bit, you can get a toothbrush to make them even clean in the deepest corners. Next, get a cloth. And of course your trusty keyboard. Really be thorough. We do not want any remaining pieces of gunk. Not to forget, you should also stroke along those little crevices outside of the actual keyboard, since there's also some gunk. Tackle the backside. And as a little secret tip, I always use ear tips to get into these craters, which are really hard to get into with a rag. I got impatient, so I used a blow dryer. Now you just need to reassemble the keyboard. Ideally, you took a photograph before you started this tutorial or are smart enough to do it yourself.